right, we're at another apartment building here in Chicago.
Here's an old ECA.
Now I know where US Elevator got the idea for a name. So they just put that giant back on there so you couldn't get stuck between the gate, theoretically. This is cool, though. Look at these buttons over here. I like the 3 that's just replaced with a big one.
That's very common on that style.
All right, we'll go up to 4.
Hold it.
I always love these single speeds because it never looks like it's going to stop on time.
Did pretty well, actually.
Yeah. Head back to 1. I'll go on this side this time.
Watch your butt. You don't hit the phone.
That is not a great design, actually, is it? Yeah.
How you know Jacob doesn't ride old elevators? He doesn't hold the button long enough. The door operator is currently occupied here in a weird spot. So.
As soon as Jason makes fun of me, you can't open the door. Speaking of,
Yeah, the door operator needs some maintenance.
we need to replace this thing.
Yes. Bye.